finally, I know
Yes.
this is another loaded question, but
Yes.
what is Namavidabutsu to you?
That's a good question. That's always the challenging question. See, and that's the question I have to continue to ask myself throughout my life. See, so now you've given me this opportunity to reflect on it. I might answer it differently every time someone asks me, but every time I'm asked that question, it's an opportunity to challenge myself. What does Namu Amida Butsu, really mean? So simply put, Namu Amida Butsu means, Namu means bow, bow. So I bow my head to the great truth of enlightenment, wisdom and compassion. So Namu Amida Butsu, I bow my head to the world of Buddha, wisdom and compassion that's all around me, that embraces me, that is trying to awaken me.
Wow. Thank you so much. We have a really profound session today. I'm very so excited. So you guys, if you think this information is useful, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like me on my Facebook, because that's how we do it in the 21st century. So thank you so much, Reverend Harada. Nama Amida Butsu.
And thank you for your wonderful movie sharing the world of art of the Buddhist sculptors. I thought it was just a wonderful, wonderful movie.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.